Good morning children, this is Hemlata. Welcome to class 6 general maths class. So children, we are discussing about the integers. We are doing the chapter integers, chapter 4 integers. Is it no children? Integers is a very important topic children. This is new for you for this class, but here onwards integer and the concepts related to this will be helpful for you a lot in the high school. Okay, so it is very important for you to understand this and remember the fundamental rules of operations of integers. Clear children? So integers, what are integers? Integers is a set of numbers, okay, positive numbers, 0 and negative numbers. Clear children? What are integers? Integers is a set of numbers contains positive numbers, 0 and negative numbers. The set of integer is denoted by capital Z or capital I. Set of integer denoted by capital Z or capital I. Okay children, so you can see this is a set of integer. You can see there are negative numbers in left of 0. This is a 0. Is it? 0 always lies at the center, middle, and left of 0 negative numbers are there, and right of 0 positive numbers are there. There are infinite number of negative numbers, infinite, unlimited, okay, infinite number of negative numbers in left of 0 and infinite number of positive numbers in right of 0. Clear children? So this is a set of integers. 0 at the middle, left side negative numbers, right side positive numbers. Clear? So first point, what positive numbers? Positive numbers 1, 2, 3. Once again children, positive numbers we can give plus sign before of a positive number. We can give plus sign or we will not give a plus sign also. Just simply if we will write a number, then also it means that is a positive number only. Clear children? Positive numbers, no need to give the plus sign before it, because if we will give plus sign also it's a positive number. If we will not give plus sign also, it will be considered as a positive numbers. So positive numbers, where it lies? It always lies at right side of 0. Remember, positive numbers always lies at right side of 0, and the value of positive numbers are always greater than 0. All the positive numbers, even 1, okay, plus 1 is greater than 0. Clear? So positive numbers values are greater than 0, and where it lies? Right side of 0 at equal distances. Next is negative numbers. Negative numbers are what? Negative numbers like -1, -2, -3, -4. Once again, for negative number it is compulsory to give the minus sign before the number, because if you will give the minus sign, then only it will be the negative number. If you will not give any sign before the number, that will be considered as a positive number. Got it now? We already discussed now recently. That's why it is compulsory to give negative sign before the number for a negative number, okay. And negative number, where it lies always left of 0. Negative numbers always lies left of 0, and negative numbers are always small than 0, okay. -1 less than 0. So negative numbers always less than 0. Got it children? Positive number where lies? Right of 0. Positive numbers are greater than 0. Negative numbers where it lies? Left of 0. Negative numbers are always small than 0. Clear children? So please take your notes. Give today's date, subject, time, general maths, And what is our chapter? Chapter 4, integers. Chapter 4, integers. And what is a subtopic? Ordering of integers. In today's class, we are discussing ordering of integers, how to order the integers and how to compare to integers. Okay, how to order integers in number line also. Clear? So once again I want to speak that when the video is you are seeing the class, okay, you must see class till end. Okay, you must see the class till end and minimum 2 to 3 times. Okay, then only you can understand it. You have to see the class till end 2 to 3 times, and when you are writing the notes, pause the video, pause and complete writing. After writing only again continue the video, because we can't focus the paper long time because it makes the video again longer. That's why when you are seeing the video, that time only pause and write down and then again continue the video. Okay children, so now next we are going to see the number line. Now see children, you can see this is a number line. So a line where numbers are represented. So a number line contains both side arrow mark. You can see both side, left side and right side, both side arrow mark is there. It means what? We can extend the number line to any extent. Is it? Arrow. What is the use of arrow? Arrow shows that anything can be extended to any distance. Okay, so both side arrow mark shows that we can extend this line to both side to any extent. Now at the center of this number line, what is there? 0. 0 always lies at the center of the number line. And right side you can see positive numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like that. These all are the positive number. Which side? Right side of 0 at equal distances. Children, one more thing remember, whenever you draw a number line, you must use pencil and scale. Your number line should be neat and clean. You must use pencil and straight. That's why you must use scale. Okay, and the numbers should be at equal distance. Okay, you keep the scale at every 1 centimeter. You take one point, mark one point and represent there the numbers. Clear? So numbers should be at equal distance. So right side, which numbers are there? Positive numbers are there. How many numbers are there? Numbers, positive numbers are infinite. Infinite positive numbers are there in the right side. In this number line, I denoted only 7 numbers because we can represent only limited numbers on a paper. Now, left side, what numbers are there? Left side, negative numbers are there. How many negative numbers are there? There are infinite number of negative numbers left side of 0. Clear children? There are infinite number of negative numbers in left side of 0, and that also at equal distances. Now, arrowheads on the two sides show that integers continue up to infinity on the positive sides as well as on negative sides. Is it? Both side arrowhead shows that there are infinite number of positive and negative numbers in both side of 0. Now children, next is using a number line to compare the numbers. We can use number line to compare numbers. Okay, so children, up to now you were reading only the positive numbers. So it was very easy to compare 2 or 3 positive numbers. But now in integer, negative numbers are also introduced. So now what are the rules, okay, to compare two negative numbers or a positive and negative numbers, or 0 and negative number, or 0 and positive number? So you have to follows some certain rules, some important rules. Okay, so that rules we will see now. Okay, so using a number line to compare the numbers. So what is the rule? Let me see. Out of any two numbers marked on a number line, the number which is first rule. Okay, in a number line, two numbers are marked. Okay, so in which the number which is in right side is greater. Okay, so first rule is, in a number line, suppose first is what? 6 and 2. Okay, 6 and 2. So we will mark 6 and 2 in the number line. Children, see children, now I am marking 6. Here is 6 and here is 2. Okay, 6 and 2. Now you have to compare these two numbers. So what is the rule? The number which is in right side is greater. In a number, in any two number, which number is in right side is greater than the other number. So here what are the two numbers? 6 and 2 are the two numbers. Okay, which is in right side? 6 is in right side. It means 6 is greater than 2. Clear children? Very simple. Two numbers, if it is marked on the number line, which is in right side, that will be greater. Which is in left side, that will be smaller. See once again. Second example. -2 and -1. -2 and -1. So first we will mark -2 and -1. -2, -1. These two numbers are marked on number line, -2 and -1, which is in right side. Right side, -1 is there. So -1, as -1 is in right side, it means -1 is greater. Okay. -1 is greater than -2. Okay. So any number which is in right side is greater than the number in its left side. Clear? Next, 3 and -1. Third example, 3 and -1. So mark 3 and -1. Where is 3? This is 3. And where is -1? This is -1. Okay, which is in right side? Right side, 3 is there. It means 3 is greater than -1. Clear children? Very simple now. You understood now? Two numbers marked on the number line, which is in right side, that number will be greater than the number in its left side. So next, okay, you have to write down also. Please note down this. First number line. Once again pause the video and write down. After writing, again continue the video. Write the rule and examples. Now children, we will see the second rule. To the left is smaller. Any two numbers, when you will mark on the number line, which number is in left side, that is a smaller one. Of course, which is in right side, that number is greater. Which number is in left side, that will be smaller. Example, -6 and -2. So mark -6 and -2. Okay. Now two numbers are marked on the number line. Now you see, which is in right side? -2. So -2 is in right side, so -2 is greater. Which is in left side? -6. So as -6 is in left side, -6 is a smaller. Okay, -6 is smaller than -2. because minus 6 is left of minus 2. Okay, very simple. Minus 6 is smaller than minus 2, or minus 2 is greater than minus 6. The reason is their position. Which is in right side, that will be greater. Which is in left side, that will be smaller. Example one more. Minus 4 and 1. Mark minus 4 and 1. Two numbers are marked. Which is in right side? 1. It means 1 is greater than minus 4. 1 is greater than minus 4. Which is in left side? Minus 4. It means minus 4 is smaller than 1. Clear? So now it is very clear now, children. In the number line, whenever two or three numbers are marked, which lies in the right side, that will be greater. Which lies in the left side, that will be smaller. Clear? Note down this. I hope you are doing well, writing nicely, neatly in your notes. Once again, children, after reopening, all the notes, teachers will go through your notes. They will correct your notes. So you must maintain your notes neatly. You must read the reading content 2 to 3 times completely and do the worksheets. Okay, now note. So what is note? Note are the important points based on the number line, rules of number line. So first point is, every positive number is greater than every negative number. Clear, children? Every positive number is greater than every negative number. What is the reason? Tell me. Why positive numbers are greater than negative numbers? Now only we discussed. Numbers which lies in right side will be greater than the numbers which lies in its left side. You can see all the positive numbers starts from 1, because 0 is neither positive nor negative. Remember, children, 0 is a unique number. It's a neutral, neither positive nor negative. Okay, so positive number starts from +1. Okay, all the positive numbers are in right side. Is it or not? All the positive numbers are in right side of negative numbers. It means all the positive numbers are greater than all the negative numbers. That's why first rule is, every positive number is greater than negative number. Even 1, a positive number, is greater than minus 1000, because minus 1000, it's a negative number. This is +1, it's a positive number. So all the positive numbers are greater than negative numbers. That's why +1 is greater than minus 1000. Clear, children? Every positive, one positive number, one negative number if given, very surely, okay, you can write that positive number is greater than negative number. Next, second thing, 0 is smaller than every positive number but greater than every negative number. You see the position of 0, children. 0 is in left of positive numbers. Is it or not? When you compare 0 and all the positive numbers are in right of 0. It means all the positive numbers are greater than 0. Is it? All the positive numbers are in right side of 0. It means all the positive numbers are greater than 0. But when you will compare the position of negative numbers and 0, all the negative numbers are left of 0. It means 0 is greater than all the negative numbers, or all the negative numbers are smaller than 0. Clear, children? Understood well? So 0 is greater than all negative numbers. but less than all positive numbers. Clear, children? Now third point is what? The greater the number, the smaller is its opposite. Two numbers, any two number, in that which will be greater, when we do it their opposites, that number will be smaller. You see, 8 is greater than 5. Of course 8 is greater than 5, but what is the opposite of 8? Minus 8. Opposite of 5? Minus 5. So when we do their opposites, that number only becomes smaller. Minus 8 is less than minus 5. Yes or no? Check it. Minus 8 and minus 5. Of course minus 8 will come here, this side, okay, left side, and minus 5 here, right side. Is it no? Minus 6, minus 7, minus 8. So minus 8 will come left of minus 5. So minus 8 is smaller than minus 5. Clear? So minus 8 is smaller than minus 5. This is a third rule. Fourth rule. The smaller the number, the greater is its opposite. Just its reverse. Smaller the number. 6 is less than 7. But when we do their opposites, 6 opposite minus 6, 7 opposite minus 7. When we do its opposite, minus 6 is greater than minus 7. Yes or no? See, minus 6 and minus 7 somewhere here, minus 7. Minus 6, minus 7. Which is in right? Minus 6 is in right. It means minus 6 is greater than minus 7. Minus 6 is greater than minus 7. Okay now children? So smaller the number, greater in its opposite. Is it or not? 6 is less than 7. So minus 6 is greater than minus 7. You remember children, whatever the rule for positive numbers, that will be reverse of the rules of negative numbers. In positive numbers, which number will be greater? In the negative system, that number will be smaller. Okay. Next, these are the 4 rules. Okay, 4 important points which we concluded from the number line. Please note down this. Over children. Now we will see one important question. Okay, question, you see, using a number line, arrange the given numbers in ascending and descending order. You have to use this number line, and these numbers which are given, these numbers you have to arrange in ascending and descending order using the number line. Okay, very important children, this one. So for this, first what we will do, we have to draw a number line. Okay, draw a number line, and you see that whatever the numbers are given in the question, that all numbers should come in this number line. Okay now children? Okay, now next what you have to do, these numbers only you have to mark in this number line. Okay, first you have to draw a number line. Then after, whatever the given numbers should be present in this number line, then these numbers only you have to mark here. Okay, so first is 3. So mark 3, here 3. Okay, you can write up also 3. Then minus 2, plus 5, 0, minus 5, plus 6, so 6 plus 6, then minus 4. So you can see children, all the numbers whatever given in the questions are marked on this number line. Okay, now what is the rule we studied? In a number line, right side which numbers are there, they are greater, and left side which numbers are there, they are smaller. It means when we go to right side, the value of the numbers increases. Value is increases when we go right side. Okay, and when we come to left side, value decreases. So first one is ascending order. Ascending order means small to big. Ascending, small to big. So where are the smaller numbers? Left side. Is it? It means we have to go left to right. When we write the numbers in ascending order, we must go left to right. So left to right, okay, you can write -5 less than -4 less than -2 less than 0 less than 3 less than 5 less than 6. This is in ascending order. Okay, means small to big. It means in these number, which is the smallest number, -5, which is the greatest number, +6. Now like that only descending order. Descending order means big to small. Okay, big to small. You have to write the values greater than smaller. So greater numbers are where? Right side. Smaller numbers are where? Left side. It means you have to come right to left. Descending order, big to small, right to left. So right to left when we write. So what is in the right side, extreme right? 6. Okay, 6 is in extreme right. 6 greater than 5, greater than 3, greater than 0. You see children, positive numbers are greater in value. Positive numbers are greater than 0. Positive numbers are greater than negative numbers. Then 0 is greater than -2. -2 is greater than -4. -4 is greater than -5. These are the numbers in descending order, big to small. Greatest number is 6. Smallest number is -5. Clear children? I hope you understood this question. Please note down this. So okay children, today what we discussed, very important topic we discussed today, integers, ordering of integers in a number line and comparing integers by use of number line. Very important topic children. You must watch the video till end, minimum 2 to 3 times, then only you can understand it. Like these questions, 2 or 3 questions more you practice by yourself in the notes. Okay, this is for today. Thanks for watching.